Let's talk about our greatest enemies, who are illness and fear. We know they are so powerful, and it's difficult to defeat them with our usual tools like fight, protest, drugs, denial, defense, and so on. But at the end, it's only our mental power and our intuition which can save us. Obviously, we must learn to use our intuition, our greatest hidden power. So, just to have a better image of fear in these times of the famous disease, here a little story, a parable. An old man was sitting in front of a city gate. Suddenly, Death himself comes round. "Where are you going?" asks the old man. "Well, I am going to take 100 people with me," answers Death. After a while, Death returns with 1,000 dead. "Didn't you want to kill only 100 people?" asked the old man, wondering. And Death replies, smiling, "Yes, true, I took 100. But I didn't kill all myself. The other people simply died from fear. Yes, fear. So don't allow yourself to be defeated by fear. This fear is created artificially, coming often from false information, and not always founded or even manipulated. Don't believe immediately all the facts others are repeatedly telling you. If you're right, you know it, said Gandhi. This is magic.